Unraveling the meaning of strainer, a guide to English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the word strainer. This is a common word that you might come across in everyday conversations, especially when talking about kitchen tools or activities. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. A strainer is a tool used to separate liquids from solids. It is made up of a metal or plastic frame with a mesh or perforated bottom that allows the liquid to pass through while keeping the solid parts inside. Strainers are commonly used in cooking and baking, and they come in various sizes and shapes, depending on what you need to strain. For example, you might use a strainer to drain pasta after cooking it, or to sift flour when baking a cake. In each of these scenarios, the strainer helps to separate different components, making your cooking process smoother and more efficient. Let's look at some examples of how you can use the word strainer in sentences. 1. After boiling the pasta, make sure to use a strainer to drain the water before serving. 2. I need a fine mesh strainer to sift this flour. The one I have is too coarse. 3. Can you pass me the strainer? I need to rinse these vegetables. Notice how in each of these sentences, the strainer is used as a tool to help in the cooking process, aiding in separating or sifting ingredients. Sometimes, people might get confused between a strainer and a colander. While they both serve similar purposes in separating solids from liquids, a colander usually has larger holes and is specifically designed for draining pasta or washing vegetables. A strainer, on the other hand, has finer mesh or holes, making it suitable for separating smaller particles. I hope this video helps clarify what a strainer is and how you can use it in your English conversations, especially when talking about cooking or kitchen activities. Remember, practice is key in learning a new language, so try using strainer in your sentences today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.